Hi, this is Rob. How to set up the Amazon Basics Home Keypad Safe. The Amazon Basics Home Keypad Safe comes in 3 different sizes: the 1.2 cubic foot, the 1.52 cubic foot, and the 1.8 cubic foot. What do you get in the box? The safe itself, 2 keys, 4 expansion bolts, and 4 clamping screws. The expansion bolts and the clamping screws are to secure the safe to the floor or to a wall. Opening the safe for the first time. To open the safe for the first time, you will need the included keys. This is the key cover. Press on the bottom of the key cover to open it up. Be careful because this key cover is designed to completely come off. It will probably pop off and fall to the floor. Insert one of the safe keys and turn it counterclockwise. Then turn this knob clockwise to open the door. Later, when you're ready to close the door, turn this knob counterclockwise to lock the door. The next step is to install the batteries, which are not included. This safe requires 4 AA alkaline batteries. Do not use rechargeable batteries or any other type of non-alkaline batteries. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline and standard batteries. The battery compartment is located on the inside door. Slide open the battery compartment door and insert the batteries. Then slide the battery compartment door close. The passwords. There is a preset password. The preset password is located in the owner's manual, but it is highly recommended to change that password by setting a new password. To set a new password, go back to the battery compartment and slide the cover open to expose this reset button. Press this reset button. Then there are 3 lights on the keypad, a yellow, red, and green. After you press the reset button, the green light will flash 2 times with 2 beeps. Now enter a new password. The password can be between 3 to 8 digits. Enter your new password on the keypad and then press the pound key to confirm the new password. If the green light flashes 2 times with 2 beeps, then the new password is accepted. However, if the red light turns on with 5 beeps, then the safe failed to set the new password. Repeat the steps to set a new password until you are successful. Note: test the new password with the door open before locking the door. Opening the safe with your new password. Enter your new password on the keypad, then press the pound key to confirm. Note: if you accidentally enter the wrong password, press the star key. The red light will turn on with 5 beeps. Then you can enter your password again and press the pound key to confirm. If the password is correct, the green light will turn on. Turn this knob clockwise within 5 seconds to open the door. If you do not open the door within 5 seconds, the green light will turn off and you will need to enter your password again. For these Amazon Basics safes, you can also set a master code. A master code is like having a second password. The instruction manual explains how to set a master code. Also, the keypad beeps when pressing the numbers on the keypad. You can turn the keypad sound off. The instruction manual also explains how to do this. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this Amazon Basics safe.